Philip Rand from WHITEFOX, and we're pleased to showcase the final leg of construction here at Cote, Palm Beach. With the scaffolding now starting to drop, we can see the reveal of the concrete and glass facade, as well as the detail that they've been able to achieve. Internally, the fit-out is well progressed, having seen the installation of the joinery, stone bench tops and tiling in the bathrooms. Looking ahead, we will see the installation of the timber flooring, which is an exciting milestone for the project, tying all of the interiors together. A limited number of half-floor residences here at Cote Palm Beach will be released to market, with move-in and completion for April this year.